how to create a website for free. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can make your own website for free without even spending money. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the best way to make free website is go on Google, search Blogger. Okay, so click on Blogger. This is your free website. All you have to do is just click on Blogger and then click on Blogger, and this Blogger is by Google, so it's much more easier for you to rank any keyword, and in fact it's really fast as well. So now I've created one of my blog on Blogger. So as you could see, my blog is here and my pages is here. So all my YouTube videos or all my blog posts are over here, and then on the right there's a widget. But only problem with free websites is when you look on the top, the domain name says blogspot.com. okay, so that's one criteria, but I have a solution for you. So let's say you can buy the domain over here, or you could create a WordPress website. Currently I use Bluehost. They charge you $2.95 per month. In fact, I have a 20% discount. Link is down below. So they give you a free domain, free SSL for the whole year, and it's very easy. So as you could see, yavarkhan.com, I've created a website. On yoga, I've created a website for myself, which is yavarkhan.com. So as you could see over here, looks really professional. My domain name is here. Everything is in under your control. The problem with creating a free website is ultimately it's free. Someone has control over it. Okay, so let's say you're making money, the next day automatically it would get shut or something would happen. It's not your own property. Okay, it's like you're renting a property on someone else website. Okay, so even you're renting a property on Blogspot. So if you want to make a website for free, the best thing is start with Blogger. Okay, start creating content. Once you start making money with AdSense, affiliate products, whatever it is, then you can buy your own domain and hosting, and I would suggest Bluehost. And if you would like to learn how to create your WordPress website from scratch, or you want to learn how to get free traffic on your website, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out, or just click on free training over here. So as you could see, you can build your, you can build your own website and double your website traffic. Those are the free courses you could join. The link is down below. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and also please do comment. I want to know if it's really helpful. And that's it. Yavar Khan signing off.